Hey there, Sid here with another trade recap. And today was a fantastic day, and only one stock provided that solid setup where you can take multiple trades and get a huge profit. And that stock was EFTR, or E Factor Therapeutics Inc. So there was a catalyst for such a unusual move, and it was a short squeeze candidate. So if you look at the news, this is the Seeking Alpha, and I got this link by going through Trade Ideas Pro. So before while making this video, I just take a look at like what exactly happened with this stock for such a wild action. And if you can see here, e-therapeutics E-Factor Therapeutics surges for a second day on a social media buzz. So when I read this news, first I thought like, okay, it this might be one of the meme stock, but then I clicked on it and I found this article. So what it says, E-Factor Therapeutics surges for a second day on a social media buzz. But if you read closely, so here it says the move comes after Locus Walk, the SPAC that took E-Factor public. Uh, EF Factor public surges more than 170% on August 25th after the company announces that about 95% of the holders redeemed their shares, meaning that the company share count was suddenly reduced from 17 million shares to over 500k as a holder took their shares back. There were many investors that were short the shares going into the vote, creating a short squeeze because of the 17 million shares just vanished. And that was the main reason for such unusual price action, because this, let me show you what exactly happened here. And you see, this is the price action of EFTR, or EF Factor Therapeutics. This is a crazy move. I mean, if you manage your entry and exit properly while trading this type of setup, you can easily earn in thousands. And it's totally depend on the stock, the amount of stocks that you are buying and selling, and your buying power. And if you are not restricted by PDT rule, then the sky is the limit for your green day profit. What happened with me is, like, I was watching this, there were like three stocks. Let me go back to Trade Ideas, and there were three stocks that were like showing some kind of like a setup. The first one was EFTR, the second one was ARQQ, and it failed. It popped up for a while and then it failed. It didn't give you that that setup that can give you some kind of confidence to take a trade on. It was not there. It was there for a brief period of time and then it vanished. And the third stock was ANY. And ANY, I can't see it over here. Where is that ANY? But ANY, I didn't take a trade on it because in last week I got burned by it pretty badly. You want, we can go quickly. Trading view and chart symbol ANY, launch chart, and as expected price action, it, it provided some opportunities but not all. Like, you cannot trade this stock all day long because of the choppiness of this stock. I mean, there were like thousands and thousands share sellers and buyers on the both side. And usually what I experienced is, like, when there are like 1,000 shares buyers on the other side, usually they are just covering their short position. So when I saw that, I just stayed away from it. I said to myself, like, I don't want to get burned again, so I just left it alone. And then I came over here for EFTR. And when I was just watching its price action, and I saw this ascending triangle formation, which is a bullish pattern. It's not exactly like a triangle, but when you draw certain lines around it, you can basically conclude. And it broke out from that formation, and it started making higher highs. And my bad luck or good luck, whatever you say, is I took a trade over here on this candle exactly at 11:16, 17:25, and sold everything at 17:55. I don't know why I did that. Probably I was scared that it that the candle was red and it was not like showing some promising move based on the previous price action on the low volume. So I said, like, okay, that's fine, let's not risk everything and get profit while I can. So that's what I did, and I earned $104.92. But just look at this, just look at the price action, like what happened afterwards. It was just ripping up higher and higher. Oh my goodness, like, if I had not been restricted with the PTT rule, I would have easily earned upward or close to $5,000 or even more than that. This is the type of setup that I was talking about, that is good and give you home run. Like, you just have to trade for one day, and that's it. For entire month, you don't have to do anything. The profit that you can get, just invest it in some other blue chip stocks like Microsoft, Amazon, and you are set for that month. You don't even have to take risk every day. But unfortunately, I'm still under PTT rule, and probably what I'm thinking is combining both of my trading accounts like TD Ameritrade and Webull, so that I can go beyond that $25,000 barrier easily. And yeah, let's see about that. But that was all about today's trade, and boy, it was a fantastic day. And I hope all of you who took a trade on this stock made good amount of money. It failed afterwards, but before failing, my goodness, it provided so many opportunities to earn good amount of money, and it's just spiked up to the $40 from $11 to $40. That's like a solid move, beautiful move, solid move, parabolic move, whatever you want to call it. It was a beautiful day. Made small profit. Still, I'm looking at that profit in an optimistic way. Like, my glass is half full kind of way. But yeah, that's why trading is fun. It's risky, but it's fun too. And if you know what you are doing, if you have a strategy, if you know about chart pattern, how pattern forms, what happens next. If you can predict it, and based on some technical analysis, then basically you will be green on most of the trades. That does not mean that you will lose money. And I'm not a financial advisor for you to give you any kind of advice. So do your own DD, and consult with your financial advisor if you are still not sure about trading, and with their advice, take a trade. Or you can learn everything by yourself, because information is right out there, and take a paper trade. Take trades in a simulated environment, and see if you can earn money, and then you can jump into real trading with real money, with the proven strategy, and you can make money. So that being said, that's it for this video. Amazing day. Happy to see this type of action within a short week, within a week, where we just get only 4 days of trading. That being said, thank you for watching, and see you again in next video. Thank you. Bye. Sorry guys, I forgot to show you my real trades. So these are my real trades. Let me go to that. EFTR Therapeutics, 104.92, $104.92 for this trade, and these are my actual buy and sell orders. Thank you once again. See you in next recap. Bye.